Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video, we want to explain example 2 of Algebra 10, which continue to ask us to simplify. And we are going to do the same thing we did in example 1, whereby we factorized. And we are going to do the numerator and the denominator factorization separately, so that we can eventually identify if there could be two brackets that are similar, and then we can cancel them out with an aim of simplifying. And as you can see, the numerator has x squared plus x minus 2, and we need to look for two factors such that when we add them, they give us positive 1, and when you multiply them, they give you negative 2, because A is 1 and C is minus 2. So in this case, after we have identified the two factors, whereby I can see the factors are negative 1 and 2, negative 1 and 2, such that negative 1 plus 2 is 1, and negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. So we break the middle term and we have x squared minus x plus 2x, finally minus 2. That is as far as the numerator is concerned. The denominator, if you look at it carefully, it is a difference between two squares. We have x squared is a square, and we have 4 is a square. Difference between two squares, we have seen this before, so we just have x minus 2, the square root of each term, with one sign which is subtraction, and the other one is x plus 2. That's what we have. When we collect the like terms of the numerator of the first two terms, we find x is common. Then within the bracket, we have x squared divided by x, which is x, minus x divided by x is minus 1. And then plus 2 is common in the second two terms. Then x is common. X is 2x divided by 2 is x, and minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. So we eventually have something that looks like x, like that, x minus 2, x plus 2. If we take the terms that are outside the bracket, both of them will form a bracket of their own, which is x plus 2. And then the common bracket appears only once, and we write it as x minus 1, and there we are. That is the numerator. The denominator still remains x minus 2, x plus 2. And we have two brackets that are common. X plus 2 is common in both sides, or at the numerator and as well as at the denominator, so they cancel out. So our final form of this simplification is x minus 1 everything over x minus 2. And since we cannot simplify that further, then that becomes our answer, or our final form of this particular question. Yes, we have been able to simplify. Thank you. Subscribe and let us work together.